Some news now on football. There is conflicting information this evening on whether a history-making coach has joined the technical staff of the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF. This after American Carrie Taylor announced during a BBC interview that she'll be joining the Jamaica Football Federation as technical consultant with its women's football program. Karen Madden reports.
This was Carrie Taylor during a recent BBC interview.
So like the Jamaica piece just kind of fits with everything that I truly believe in. So being able to help uplift an up and coming sports nation and help, girls who might not have the opportunity to be seen by American colleges get seen and just help uplift a nation, which is like amazing.
Taylor shot to prominence when she became the first woman to coach a men's team when she joined the former U.S. international London Donovan, owner of San Diego Loyal, as part of his coaching staff. But she surprised many when, after just 2 games, she announced she would be leaving the men's program to be a consultant for Jamaica's women's football program following last year's FIFA World Cup debut by the Reggae Girls. However, JFF President Michael Ricketts told TVJ Sports that an agreement has not yet been formalized.
Busby seemed to think that she is of worth and could be of some value to the program. Coach Downswell, who has overall responsibility for the technical component of both programs, is aware of her interest. But we have not yet signed off on any deal. But the possibility exists, and based on the recommendation from Coach Busby, is something that could very well be in the pipeline.
Hubert Busby Jr., who took over the head coaching role of the Reggae Girls, told TVJ Sports that Taylor is committed to joining the program on a voluntary basis. Taylor was also asked whether her quick change of heart after creating history was a setback for women.
No, I don't agree with that at all, because this 2020 year and the pandemic and all the strife that our world is in right now, I think everybody gets a pass in this situation. There's a lot of other women that could be in other clubs.
San Diego Loyal is a familiar club for Jamaicans after signing national goalkeeper Amal Knight earlier this year before he was loaned out to FC Tucson. Jamaica's women's football program is expected to get a huge boost after the JFF received a COVID-19 grant to the tune of $500,000 US. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.